guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be preparing a smoothie that is good for your health. So this is strawberry. It has antioxidant properties, it's rich in vitamin C, helps fight diabetes and other heart conditions. So that's our first ingredient. So guys, our second ingredient right there is raspberries, and they have high potassium content, help in heart function, lower blood pressure, and the omega-3 in this raspberry helps prevent stroke and heart diseases. So guys, the benefits are endless. Our third ingredient is the blueberry. It's high in fiber, has potassium, folate, and vitamin C and B. It has phytonutrients that help support the heart. It reduces cholesterol level and blood sugar level. Our next ingredient there is our maple syrup. Yeah, it has antioxidant properties, and I prefer using it instead of honey because it has lesser calories and sugar. So guys, you might want to try this maple syrup and see whether you prefer it to honey, and let me know in the comment section if you did. Our next ingredient is the milk, and it's plant-based milk. This one is soy. I prefer it because it has lesser sugar, lesser calories, and is environmentally sustainable. So these are all our ingredients, all put together, ready to be blended. The maple syrup, the milk, the strawberries, the blueberries, and the raspberries. Oh my god, this is going to be a burst of flavor, and it's going to be nutritious, and it's going to be tasty. We are not sacrificing taste for health, guys. Even if you're a sweet tooth, you are going to still like this one. That's me throwing my strawberries into the blender, followed by the raspberries, then followed by the blueberries. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this smoothie. Once I'm done, I'm going to be adding my soy milk, which is plant-based milk. So guys, as you can see, our smoothie is shaping up. So the next one, I'm going to add my maple syrup. That's my newfound love. I used to use honey before, but now my newfound love is maple syrup. So guys, you might want to try it and let me know in the comment section if you like it or you don't. So that goes in my maple syrup. Then I cover my blender, ready to blend. Oh god, this is lovely. Just looking at it, I really feel good just looking at it. I take it out from the blender. Just look at this, guys. This is lovely. Like, this is a cup of goodness. So guys, this is me right here with my cup, ready to chug down this cup of goodness. Oh my god, this is lovely. I'm really excited just looking at it. I feel good. Then drinking it, I feel better. Oh, you need to try this, guys. My straw is ready. Just look at that. Just look at that. Oh my. This is lovely, guys. Just the color alone. Oh, all those colorful fruit mixed together, giving us this sumptuous smoothie. Guys, please try this and let me know what you think. This is lovely, guys. There's no soda that can beat this. Natural, tasty, and delicious, and improves your overall health system. Guys, this is lovely. Can you imagine how beautiful this looks? There goes my straw. Oh my, enjoy. That's me right there, going to test my cup of goodness. Oh my god, I feel so excited. See, show you guys how lovely it is. It's good for your skin, your digestive system, your heart, your blood sugar level. Like, this is a bowl of a cup of goodness. You can call it a bowl, anyone. The taste right there is amazing. It's amazing. Like, it's 100% natural, no additive. You are sure there's no sugar. So guys, please try this and let me know what you think. Cheers to the good life, baby. Cheers to the good life.